Welcome to Granite Bay, where homeowners prioritize both elegance and security. If your residential garage door needs an upgrade or repair, All Pro Overhead Garage Doors is your trusted partner. With extensive experience, we specialize in providing high-quality residential garage door services, including repair, replacement, and installation. Our collection of residential garage doors is designed to enhance both the functionality and curb appeal of your Granite Bay home. Whether you're looking for a contemporary upgrade or a timeless classic, our doors are crafted to elevate your home's appearance and ensure smooth, reliable operation. Don't let an outdated or malfunctioning garage door compromise your home's charm and security. At All Pro Overhead Garage Doors, we offer expert solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of your residents. Ready to enhance your home? Contact us today at 916.628.3639 or visit our website at allproverheaddoor.com. All Pro Overhead Garage Doors is dedicated to delivering exceptional service and ensuring your complete satisfaction. Transform your residential garage door in Granite Bay with All Pro Overhead Garage Doors today.